Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do another unpopular opinions video. I apparently have a lot of unpopular opinions. I'll link my first two versions of this video right up here in the cards, but I have more opinions and I feel like I want to talk about them. So that's what we're going to do today. Before we jump into it, please keep in mind that everything that I'm going to say, all of the opinions that I'm about to give you are unpopular. It's literally the title of the video. So if you feel differently than I do, that's fine. That just means you're in the majority and I'm still over here in the minority with my weird opinions. So if you guys want to know 10 of my unpopular luxury opinions, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, tell yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like unpopular opinions, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is the real outfit of the day, something on stories. We post a lot. We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I just know that this video is gonna get people upset, okay? The first two definitely did. People did not like what I had to say, so definitely check those videos out if you guys missed those, but let's roll into some new ones. So my first unpopular opinion is that people need to calm down when it comes to the Mini Kelly, okay? And I know what I'm saying here. I know the Mini Kelly is like the holy grail for most people, and I understand why. Trust me, I understand why. However, the fact that the Mini Kelly is going for like $30,000 on the resale market is absolutely insane to me, and we should have never let it get to this point. Okay, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I think the Mini Kelly is a gorgeous bag. However, I just think the fact that we've created this much hype for it, the fact that it's so coveted, like all anyone talks about is a damn Mini Kelly, like it's just too much. It's too much, and at the end of the day, it's just a mini bag. And like a bag that barely fits anything. Like, are we really prepared to do all of this for like a tiny ass bag? Plus, I kind of think that it's a trend, even though it's obviously a Kelly bag from Hermes, which is not a trendy bag whatsoever. I kind of think that the Mini Kelly is a trend and it's going to pass. Again, I understand the hype around the Kelly and the Birkin in size 25, 28, even 32, but the mini version to me, like, it's like if we were going crazy over like a micro Lady Dior, like that just doesn't seem worth it. My second unpopular opinion, and you guys actually pointed out to me that this was an unpopular opinion. I did a video all about the bags that you should start your luxury collection with. I'll link that video right up here. My unpopular opinion is the fact that I don't think that you should start your collection with just inexpensive items. Like, I don't think you should just,
I'm into luxury items. What should I do? Let me go to Louis Vuitton and buy like 6 bags.
I feel like it's a very easy mistake to make. Just go with things that you feel like are better priced, things that are like easier for you to actually like wrap your head around spending that kind of money. I think the better strategy here is to find things that are going to be usable for you in your lifestyle, things that you are gonna love for years to come, not things that you're gonna wear for 5 minutes and get over. Because the fact of the matter is, selling luxury items, especially bags, sucks. It sucks. You always lose money unless it's like a Birkin or Kelly or something like that, but like you almost always lose money. So if we could avoid that, I think that's what we should do. Let's say you go to Louis Vuitton, you buy 5 bags from Louis Vuitton. This is very much what I did, by the way. So I'm giving you this advice from someone who's lived this. One day you wake up and you look at your collection and you're just like,
this is the same ass bag, just over and over again.
So then you decide to sell the bags. Yes, you're gonna get some money back, but you're gonna lose money on pretty much every single one of those bags unless you bought something that's like super limited edition or something like that. Even if you end up starting your collection with less bags, as long as they're more quality bags, more quality pieces that are gonna last in your collection, I think it's worth it. That's my advice. Opinion number 3, and I know this is gonna rile some people up. People are gonna be riled up, but I don't think that luxury sunglasses are worth it. And I'm saying this as a person who owns luxury sunglasses. I probably at one point had like 10 pairs, which I guess is not like that many in this space, but for me that was a lot. And I don't own 10 anymore. I probably own like 3. I just don't find that they're worth it because in my opinion, you could get the same quality, you could get the same look. Actually, you could get an even better look like on Amazon, or you could go to like Key Australia, which you guys know was one of my absolute favorite brands for sunglasses. I did a sunglass collection video a zillion years ago. I will link it up here. That video is so old, but I think my collection is pretty much the same. But as somebody who literally used to work in luxury sunglasses when I worked at Bloomingdale's, that was like my area. I don't see the point. It just doesn't make any sense to me. It's a waste of money. Plus, for me, I don't know if this is you guys, but for me, when I'm wearing makeup, I do not wear sunglasses because I don't want to get like, you know, the marks on my face. I just feel like it's a waste of money. Like, you could really use that money to buy something else. Like, if you put the 10 pairs of sunglasses that I bought from like Chanel, Celine, Dior, if you put all that money together, like, I could have had a Chanel bag. My fourth unpopular luxury opinion, and this is one that really bothers me, and I know that you guys are not gonna agree with me on this. I already know it. You don't have to say it. I already know you don't agree. Hardware on bags is not that deep. And that's just, again, that is my opinion. How much hardware is really on your bags that it matters that much? Like, I don't know. I'm very much the kind of person who likes to mix metals. So like, a lot of my rings are white gold, and then my bracelets are pretty much all gold or rose gold. Like, I don't care. I'll mix metals all day, every day. So maybe that's the reason that hardware doesn't matter to me. But if I see a bag that I like and the hardware is silver, I'm gonna buy the bag. If I see a bag that I like and the hardware is gold, I'm gonna buy the bag. It was never that serious to me. Being so specific about hardware is just a waste of time. Hardware is such a small percentage of the bag that if you like the bag, buy the damn bag. Like, who cares? No one is gonna look and say,
Oh wait, hold on. Your bag has silver hardware, but your ring is gold?
no, no one gives a shit, I promise you. I promise. Okay, so this one. I have realized this recently, and it's been like an epiphany moment. Like, I've always said I don't like chain straps on bags, but I never figured out why. Like, I could never math it, you know? Well, guess what? I mathed it. I figured it out. So my fifth unpopular opinion is I think that chain straps, all chain straps, I have to clarify because I definitely didn't clarify this last time I said it. And somebody was like,
You don't like chain straps, but you have like 20 Chanel bags.
it's like, no. I like chain straps. However, I don't like all chain straps. I like chain and leather together. That I like. But all chain, just a chain, for me, that cheapens a bag. And that's my opinion. I really love the Miss Dior, the mini size. I think that is so beautiful. It's like a little wallet on chain. And I just think it is a gorgeous piece. Like, I actively look at that bag like at least once a day. Just like stalking it, looking at the colors, seeing like, is anything tickling my pickle? But the issue that I have with that bag, the reason that bag is not behind me, is because it comes with an all chain strap. And I just feel like that cheapens a bag a lot. And that's something to me that is almost a deal breaker. If a bag just comes with a chain strap, like, I'm probably not gonna buy it. I'm not gonna like it because to me, the chain strap just looks like an afterthought. It looks like you made this gorgeous, beautiful bag. I almost mixed gorgeous and beautiful there. I don't know if you caught that. I was like, beautiful. I don't know. You put all this effort into this gorgeous piece and then you were like,
Shit! I need a strap for this thing. What do I do?
and it's just like, I'll just throw a chain strap on there and you're good to go. Any bag that comes in a chain strap version and a leather strap version, the answer to me is always the leather strap, because the leather strap feels like it actually goes with the bag. It feels like it matches, it comes together. A lot of people think that chain straps kind of dress up a bag or make things look a little bit more put together. I see where you're coming from, but I disagree. This one is gonna piss everybody off, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna say this about everyone, but this is really gonna piss people off. You gotta hear me out. You gotta hear me out on this one. My next opinion is that Celine is not a classic brand. And I feel like I have to say this because a lot of people are claiming that Celine is so classic. It's like one of the most classic brands you could go for. And I just don't see how you could come to that conclusion. For me, Celine is very much a trendy brand. Absolutely, without a doubt, is a trendy brand. It's like basically Bottega in my mind. Like, Bottega and Celine like rival each other up in here. Celine used to be so famous for their luggage bags, the mini luggage, micro luggage, nano luggage, whatever, the luggage bags. And now, do you see a luggage bag walking around? I remember how badly I wanted one. If you guys want to see bags that fell off my wish list, I'll link that video up here. But I pretty much went into a lot of depth about how badly I used to want that bag. And now we have the Triumph, which everybody is like losing their mind over. But again, it's a trendy bag. In a couple of years, we're gonna have the exact same effect that we had with the luggage bags. We're gonna look back and we're gonna be like,
Oh, I remember everyone was really into the Triumph in 2023. What the hell happened to that bag?
And there will be no triumphs walking the street, because to me, Seline is a trendy brand, which is fine. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being a trendy brand. Don't confuse what I'm saying for me saying that Seline is a bad brand. I don't think there's anything wrong with Seline. I actually think a lot of Celine's pieces are beautiful, with the triumph included. I think the triumph is a beautiful bag. However, we should call a spade a spade. It's a trendy brand. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. My seventh unpopular opinion is one that's gonna confuse. It's gonna confuse you. Jewelry is a much better purchase than a handbag is. And I know that's coming from me, who is very much a handbag person. I definitely gravitate more towards handbags in general. But with that being said, I can still appreciate the fact that jewelry is a better purchase. And this is why. You can wear as much jewelry at a time as you want. So the cost per wear on your jewelry is gonna be a lot better than the cost per wear on your handbag, because you can't wear like 5 handbags at a time, but you can wear 5 bracelets at a time, or you can wear 3 bracelets, a necklace, a set of earrings, or a watch, and you can really mix and match with jewelry and wear your pieces like day after day after day. But for a handbag, if you wear the same handbag every day for like 6 months, someone's gonna notice the fact that you've been wearing the same handbag for 6 months, okay? They might not say anything, but they'll know. Not only that, but the wear and tear is obviously different. So for a bag, if you wear a bag every single day for 10 years, in 10 years, that bag will, I'm just gonna assume, unless it's like a Birkin or a Kelly, again, those are exceptions to the rule, I'm gonna assume that that bag is not gonna be worth shit, okay? However, you wear a jewelry piece every single day for 10 years, yes, you will have scratches, which can be polished, by the way. Gold is a soft metal, like it's gonna have scratches, but that's pretty much it. Unless you're like being crazy rough with your jewelry pieces, like you'll be fine. Plus, after sale service is usually pretty good. For example, for Van Cleef, if you decided, against my advice, to wear like your mother of pearl bracelet in the shower every day for the next 10 years, your stone's gonna fall out. It's a 100% chance your stone is gonna fall out. But guess what? Van Cleef will fix it for you. Oh God, this next one is so bad. No, this next one is the one. I'm getting canceled after this. But I just think it needs to be said. We could just brush it under the rug after this if you want. That's fine. I'm cool with it. But I just want to mention it one time. Neutrals are boring. I'm not saying if you are wearing neutrals, you're boring. It's absolutely not what I'm saying. I'm not saying your clothes are boring. It's not what I'm saying. I'm saying everybody is losing their shit right now about neutrals. Everything is about neutrals. Beiges, browns. We can't all just want to wear beige all the time. Like that can't be just like the goal. Beige, black, and tan, and white. Like, what happened to all the colors in the world? I have never been interested in just having a neutral wardrobe. And I understand if you have, and I understand if that's what you like, that's what you aspire to have, that's what you want, please go ahead and do that. But I don't think that we should all just gravitate towards neutrals. I don't think we should all feel like we're forced to wear neutrals because that's what everybody is like into right now. I don't want beige. I don't want beige. I mean, sometimes I want beige. Sometimes I want beige. Let's not lie, okay? Sometimes I wear beige. But every day, nah. Let's talk about the Olsen twins. I'm not saying anything is wrong with the Olsen twins before somebody tries to fight me in the comments. Okay, the Olsen twins are cool. They're iconic. I love them. I love the Olsen twins. I used to be obsessed with Full House. That's just, and all the New York Minute movie, that I was there. However, I don't think we should aspire to want to dress like them. I feel like they take the aesthetic that I literally just mentioned in my previous unpopular opinion. They take that aesthetic and just like rough it up. They just like mess it up, and everyone's like,
oh yeah, I want to wear my Birkin like Mary-Kate Olsen.
And it's like, why would you want to wear? I understand that it's like there's an element of like carefree usability to that. Like I can just grab my bag, throw it around, like that's fine. But no, and I'm not saying you can't do that. You can do whatever you want. Please understand that I don't care what you do. Do what you want. But I just don't think that that's something that we should look up to. I don't think we should sit here and look at this jacked up Birkin 35 and say, yes. I understand like they're the creators of the Row. It's a big brand right now. But there is a way to wear things from the Row without looking actually messy, and I don't feel like they really accomplished that. And not only that, the way that they treat their Birkins and Kellys, like I can't stand behind that. That's not my message. That's not my values. You know what I'm saying? My ethos. That's not it. Why do we want to look like that? That's what my question is. Why do we want to look like that? I'm cool if that's how you look, but why are we aspiring to look like that if we don't already? Why do we Why do we look in the mirror and think that's how we should be dressing? That's my question. That's my question to you. And this one is bad. Probably not as bad as the last one. I think number 9 is probably the worst one, but this one is not good either. So everyone is losing their mind over the Tiffany lock bracelets, and I am not understanding what's up with that. What's up with that? What's up with that? This is the absolute most boring piece of jewelry that I've ever seen in my entire life. And I don't care if it's paved, I don't care if it's white gold, I don't care. To me, this bracelet is like, it's like nothing. Like, it might as well have been a bracelet from Amazon. That's how I feel about this bracelet. It doesn't look like a lock to me, okay? And I understand, like, it don't look like a lock to me. It doesn't look like anything except it's half thick, half thin. And why do we... I know I'm so alone on this opinion, you guys. You do not need to tell me, like, I know everyone loves this because every other YouTube video that I see that it's like a Tiffany unboxing is one of like the lock bracelets, and people who have them absolutely love them, and I'm not taking anything away from those people, but I'm definitely just not one of them. Is all I'm saying is I'm not one of them. If I was gonna buy something from Tiffany, it would 100% be from the hardware collection, because I think that collection is amazing. For me, that is the best collection that Tiffany has, and I think the bracelets are gorgeous, the earrings, the necklaces, everything. But this lock collection, like, it just looks weird to me. Really think about it before you pull the trigger, because I also don't feel like that's gonna be a timeless piece. I think in a couple years, people are gonna look down and be like, shit, I spent how much on this stupid ass bracelet? So guys, those were my 10 unpopular opinions. How mad are you right now? I'm sure you guys are just all unsubscribing right now. That's fine. It's fine. Listen, we're all allowed to have our own opinions. Mine just might be a little bit more aggressive than yours. That's fine. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought, nicely though, about my opinions. Do you guys have any unpopular opinions? But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up if you did like it. That was bad.